Hello students, this is Vikal. Let us continue our class with the topic letter writing, in which we will study about the informal letters for class 8th. In last class, I informed you about the letter. What is letter? Their type. Formal letter also I told you, its format also, and also talked about the informal letter. What is informal letter? What type of letters come under informal letter? That also I told you. Just review it, and then I will tell you about the format of the informal letter. First I talk about what is informal letter. Informal letters are those letters which are generally written to our close relationship. So its other name is personal letter. Letters written to relatives, parents, brother, sister and friends are come under informal letter. So its language is communal, as if we talk with each other. Now I will tell you the format of the informal letter. Just have a look here. Format of informal letter. In this format, each and every formalities come to the left side of the page. First we start with sender's address. This is the address of that person who is writing the letter. Then you are seeing here red indicators. These indicators indicate that you have to leave one line gap. After sender's address, you have to leave one line gap here. Then you have to write date. After date, you have to leave one more line gap here. Then you have to mention the salutation. Salutation is the addressing word to whom you are addressing. So example you may see here, respected father, respected mother, etc. After writing your salutation, you have to write the content, that means body, from next line of the after salutation, from the very starting. After completing the content, you have to write a subscription. Subscription means these are the gratefulness paying words to whom you are writing the letter. They are your loving son, your close friend, etc. After writing the subscription, you have to mention the name of the writer. So this is the format of the letter which you have to follow. Now I am giving you homework which you have to do. 2 questions are there. Solve it in your copy. Here I am closing my class today itself, and will continue with new class in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.